Hello all, welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today we are going to unbox Hot Wheels Custom 68 Camaro customized car. So this is the box, how it looks. You can see the name Custom 68 Camaro written on the box. So let us open this pack and see how does the vehicle look from inside. I like this car very much because this doesn't have any shiny finish. This blue color metallic body. This is a blue color matte finish body. So interiors are black. Then front you can see very beautifully designed front grills. Wheels are plastic. Then on top you can see one strip which gives car a sporty look. Then back there is a spoiler which doesn't have yeah. Then bottom you have the Hot Wheels logo, and bottom body is plastic. I like this very much. There is no shock absorbers given, and smooth movement. This vehicle has smooth movement. I like the design very much. This is a customized version of the car. Hope you like this car. So hope you like today's unboxing of Custom 68 Camaro. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.